Good morning students. Today hi in Pals Easy Commerce we're doing an entire topic of debit card. सीखते हैं ये डेबिट कार्ड क्या है. डेबिट कार्ड एक प्लास्टिक कार्ड है और it is also known as plastic money issued by a bank to its customers. So a customer can make payment for goods and services and the amount get deducted from the bank balance of the bank customers. Like there are a lot of places, especially for shopping, is generally or for business transactions. Thus, a debit card can be used as an alternative payment method to cash when making purchases. First one is the features. Easier to obtain a debit card. Obtaining a debit card is often easier than obtaining a credit card. So for issuing credit card, the bank has to check the credit worthiness of the customers. In case of a debit card, there is no need for such verification of credit worthiness. So that is easier to obtain the debit card. Then personal identification not required. So using a debit card instead of writing checks saves you from showing, or giving out personal information at the time to the purchase, because it is between you and this thing at the payment counter of the merchant. So you don't require a pin or anything because it is from your own thing. मतलब आपके account से वो debit हुआ है. Are you understanding? It's a cashless transaction because you don't want to carry cash or a check. So using a debit card means you no longer have to carry a traveler's check. Even while you're traveling abroad, there are lots of cards which you can use it, because now things have become way more better. Easily accepted by merchants. So debit cards are more easily accepted by the merchants than checks, especially in other states or countries wherever your your card brand is accepted. So that is, it's easily accepted by merchants. Uske baad I have is a threshold limit. Now, using a debit card is not only usually limited to the existing funds with which is a link. Most banks allow a certain threshold over the available bank, like uh, like over the bank balance, which can cause overdrawn amount fees. मतलब कभी क्या होता है, अभी आपके पास 50,000 है लिमिट में, sometimes you can even shop up to 60,000. Are you understand? लेकिन you'll have to pay a very small fee for the same. So the features are, it's impulsing. अरे आज ले लिया, बहुत अच्छा है, मुझे बहुत पसंद आ गया, तो थोड़ा वो लालच बढ़ जाता है. कैश है तो you know that okay, कैश में इतना ही है. Like credit cards, debit cards also have a universal usage. There has been an international debit card issued by the Bank of Baroda, and it is accepted over 32,000 Visa Electron ATMs in India and 1 million ATMs worldwide. So there is more than 350,000 merchants outlets in India and around 29,000 millions globally. So it has a universal usage. Uske baad I have is advantages of debit cards. The first one I have is convenience in payments. The customers reduce the amount of cash they need to go or carry. The customer always stays in control on his finances, and he can only spend what he has in his account. So that is convenience. No interest or service charge, क्रेडिट कार्ड में क्या होता है, अगर आपने लिमिट में वो 15 दिन या 20 दिन या 1 मंथ में आपने पे नहीं किया, तो यू हैव टू पे अ पेनल्टी. सो एट दी अनपेड सर्विसेज, तो यहाँ पे कुछ पेनल्टी नहीं लगता है. इट सूट्स द इंडियन साइक ऑफ लिमिटेड एक्सपेंडिचर. ओके, 50,000 ही है तो उतना ही है, या 5,000 का लिमिट है तो 5,000 में भाई ज्यादा खर्चने की जरूरत नहीं है. दिस इज द इंडियन मेंटालिटी. क्रेडिट कार्ड्स में एनकरेज एक्सपेंडिचर, बाय करो स्वाइप करो. सो डेबिट कार्ड इज लिटिल बिट मोर सेफ फॉर शॉपिंग. मैं तो क्रेडिट कार्ड में इम्पल्सिंग बाइंग हो जाता है. Instant withdrawal of cash. Debit cards allow for instant withdrawal of cash, acting as the ATM card for withdrawing cash. Merchants or shopkeepers may also offer cashback facilities to customers, where a customer can withdraw cash along with their purchase. So that is why it is very easy. Are you understanding? Less identification and scrutiny by merchants. So like credit cards, debit cards are accepted by merchants with less identification and scrutiny checks, thereby making transactions quicker and hassle-free. Honoring of payments through the debit card is always honored by the bank up to the balance of the account holder. So, however, in the case of personal check, the payee may not get the payment due to dishonor of the checks. That is why honoring of payments. Disadvantages: chances of over withdrawals. Uh, See, having a debit card may induce a person to purchase more than what is really required. This will lead to a lower bank balance because अरे ये मन हो गया ले लिया, ये मन हो गया, तो आपका savings बचत उतना नहीं होएगा. Sometimes problem of non-acceptance. The debit card cannot be accepted at certain places such as restaurants or in stores. मतलब they do not, मतलब everyone will not be with a debit card. मतलब they need to have those machines. Hidden cost. There may be hidden cost for using the debit card. Nothing comes free. That issues debit card may charge a fee for every transaction. kabhi kabhi some banks charge some very basic fee, but they do charge. Frauds. To purchase goods online, then have to be careful. Sometimes information gets lost in the cyberspace, and that could lead to a wrong hands. If you make a delivery order with someone over the telephone, they now have your card number, expiration date, security code. Kuch na kuch, there are chances. I'm not saying every time you do, but you need to be very, very careful. Problem of limited balance. So if your account has limited balance, you may not be able to use the debit card for purchase. Unlike a credit card that allows you to borrow on your credit, your debit card requires bank balance in your account to make payments and needs to maintain record. The debit card holder needs to maintain a record of various transactions involving the use of a debit card. So as a result, this may create problems for the debit card holder. Hi students, I hope that now the concept of debit card has become very easy. Thank you students. The source has been taken by me from Manan Prakashan.